The last one to leave the site at 10 o'clock at night. Thank you for being there for us, supporting us. Each night, every time I would trouble him, Sanjay, please come over. So he would leave all his work and be here for us. And thank you. Thank you, Sanjay, for being there for us. Of course, I will mention, yeah, he is a family now. So, yeah, and I'll definitely tell him that my heart is full. It's filled with gratitude, pride, and deep emotions. Because today is not just another day. Today, we celebrate 15 incredible years of Shillong Hyundai. 15 years of dreams, determination, and family. We are celebrating Shillong Hyundai. When I look back to where it all began, it feels just like yesterday. 15 years ago, this was only a dream. A dream born out of passion, faith, and the desire to bring something meaningful to our community. A promise to serve with honesty and care. We didn't start big. We didn't have the experience, fancy office, or fleet of cars. We had a few vehicles, a handful of brave people, and a whole lot of belief. Belief that if we worked hard, treated people right, and stayed honest, we would build something truly special. I still remember standing in front of this premises, a little nervous, a little scared, but full of hope. Hopeful for what would be. I never forget the first customer, the joy of her face when she drove off in a new car. I believe that would have been an i20 with a family. Well, she was supposed to be here today, but she's not here. That smile, that single moment made every sleepless night and every struggle worth it. That moment, I fell in love with this business. Because this dealership has never been just about cars. It's about people, it's about trust, honesty, and human connection. It's about being part of someone's story, their first car, their first adventure, their first memory to open roads. I see more than faces. I see stories. Stories of trust, resilience, of shared success. That makes this dealership more than a business. It makes it a family legacy. 15 years is not just a number. It's a testament to what's possible when your dreams are fueled by hard work, honesty, and from the heart. It's proof that when people come together with a shared purpose, incredible things can happen. As we look ahead, I'm filled with excitement for the road ahead. If the last 15 years were about building our name, the next 15 years will be about building our legacy. One rooted in service, innovation, and care. We will continue to grow, to adapt, to serve. But most importantly, we will continue to connect with people, one story, one car, one journey at a time. We're entering a new era, cleaner, smarter, and more connected, and we're ready for it. Ready to take Shillong Hyundai into the next generation with the same spirit that started it all. Heart, honesty, and hard work. So tonight, let's raise a toast to our journey so far, to the people who made it possible, to the incredible road that still lies ahead. Let's celebrate each person who believe in us. Every customer who drove out happy. Every team member who poured their soul into making Shillong Hyundai what it is today. You all are the ones who did it. And again, applause for you all.